Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am finally going to be doing my BOXYCHARM review for April's box. Everything in this box is so great this month. I know I said it in my last quick cleaning video. I feel like I love every box that I get, but this one is super fun. The palette looks amazing and so promising. I did watch a couple of other people's reviews, so I can't wait to see my opinion on some of these things, but I really don't want to talk too much. Just quickly, I have my full face on. I have foundation, concealer, powder. I set everything in my eyebrows. The only thing I didn't do is prime my eyelids because mostly we are going to be dealing with the eyes today, and I just have some blush and bronzer on my cheeks, but we are going to jump right into the box today. So if you'd like to see this BOXYCHARM unboxing and review, then please keep watching. Okay, so of course this is what the box looks like. I hate how they put this sticker on the top this time, but this is what the box looks like. And inside, the first product we are going to dive into is this guy here, which it came with like two things, which I really love how they gave this month. This is the, first of all, the eyeshadow palette. This is the eyeshadow palette. Oh, that's the back. This is the eyeshadow palette that you get in this month's box. This is by Pure Cosmetics. This is their festival palette, and this is what the inside looks like. Super pretty. I love the giant mirror that it comes with, but these shades are so beautiful. I love each one of these shades, and I love how it came with this glitter. I've never actually used glitters like this before besides the Stila glitters, so I'm excited to try that out today. So it comes with the palette and this little Get a Grip Endurance eyeshadow primer, which is really cool. So you could try this primer out with the palette itself. And this Pure, the Complexion Authority Festival palette retails for $36. And the theme this month is Peace, Love, and Boxy. So this is a $36 eyeshadow palette, which is well worth it. You get 12 eyeshadows, so this is the first thing we are going to dive into. So I'm going to open this guy up. What does it look like? Oh, it's like the color of your skin. I've never used one of these before, so let's see. I'm going to use the mirror in this palette just because it is so ginormous. I think I put a little too much in my hand. Let's see. Huh. I don't know how to explain the consistency. I have to blend it in more. Do I use a brush? Do I use my finger? I don't know. I don't know how to explain what it feels like. Like, I can't. Feels a little oily, slightly sticky, but one thing I do like is that it's like that skin tone color. So if you have any redness or darkness on your eyelids, it does cover it up, which is really nice. So now to go in with the palette, I don't even know like what kind of look I'm going for. So I'm going to pick up this fluffy brush. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. I think I'm saying that right. And it came in a previous BOXYCHARM. I swear, half of the stuff I use is always from BOXYCHARM. You love makeup, you need to get it. All right, I'm going to pick up this first shade here, which is Epic, which is right next to that purple. And I'm going to pick that up. Wow, very pigmented. Just tap off some of it and kind of use this as... Wait, do I have to set this? Apply a small amount to clean skin around the eye before makeup application to prep before eyeshadow and eyeliners. Okay, it doesn't say, but it's dry, so we'll see. And like I said, I already have concealer on, and I set it, and there really isn't any fallout on my face at all. I don't see anything. I am using my camera, my iPhone camera today, because I could not get my camera, my Canon camera, to stay on this tripod, and it was pissing me off, so I'm doing this on my phone. So sorry if the quality isn't as good. Now I'm just going to pick up a brush that has nothing on it. This is a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just gonna kind of blend that all together. All right, next, what do I want to pick up? Next, I want to go in with this Hidden Desert shade right down here. It is the second shade in the last row, and I am going to use that same Morphe brush, and I'm going to pick up a very generous amount, very pigmented. I'm really liking this. They blend out super well too, and I'm just going to focus this on the outer corner and then work it into the center of the lid. Going back in with that more fluffy brush, with whatever is left, I'm going to blend that together. Now I'm going to pick up this Mikasa Beauty, it's like a shader brush, it's more of a flat brush, and this is the E230 brush. And now I'm going to be picking up the shade All Night, which is next to that Hidden Desert shade that I just picked up before that. And I'm going to focus this on the outer corner, deepen up that corner and smoke it out a little bit. I'm kind of just pushing it on and then like swiping back and forth. Then going back in with that Morphe brush that I used with the Hidden Desert shade, I'm just going to blend that all together. Okay, so far I am loving these shades. They blend out super well. I really, really like how pigmented they are, and the color, it's super vibrant. I really like it. Now, I think I want to pick up this Psychedelic shade, the second shade in the palette, and apply it with my fingers. This is a shimmer shade, and then I'm going to go on top with some glitter. But let's see what this looks like. Wow, that's really, really pretty. And I'm going to apply that just right here on the inner corner to the center of my lid. Wow, that's super pretty. And that's with, like, I'm not wetting my brush at all. Clearly I'm using my finger. Wow. But I'm not wetting a brush, I'm just using my finger. I am not adding anything to this. This is just me picking the product up with my finger and patting it on my eyelid. Now I'm going to be picking up this 24 Karat Magic glitter shade. I'm kind of scared, like, do I use my finger? Wow, I bet you I can just use my finger. It's like just straight up glitter. I might even mix it with a little bit of fireworks just to see, but I'm going to put this right over top. Wow. This literally reminds me of the Stila glitters, but not like wet. Like these are just, it's just like straight up glitter in a pressed pan. I don't even know if you can fully see that on camera, but it is beautiful. So pretty. So you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna pick up that other glitter shade, which is Fireworks, right underneath it. And it's like a gold, but it also has like purpley pinks in it as well. And I'm just going to pop that on the same spot. Add some more glitter and kind of drag it out, whatever's left on my finger. I'm not going to put as much of this one. So now I'm basically done with my eyes. I just have to do the under eye. But before I do that, I'm going to take Free Spirit and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. And I'm just going to be using this flat pixie brush. This is an EO1 brush. And I'm going to use that. Now for my under eye, I'm going to go back in with that Mikasa Beauty brush, that flat shader brush. And I'm going to pick up the shade All Night. And I'm going to buff that out from the outer corner to the center of my under eye. Going back in with that Pixie Beauty, I'm going to pick up the shade Epic, and I'm going to put that from the inner corner to the center. So I give this an A+. The primer and the eyeshadows, the glitters, the mattes, and the shimmers are just beautiful. I think they work super, super well. So the next item in the box, we are going to, oh my God. We got brushes and I didn't use them. I know I'm gonna like them. It's fine. I know I'm gonna like them. They're Luxie Beauty. But I will use it for my highlight. Wow, I cannot believe I did that. You know what? I'm going to pick up this guy right here that came with it. So these are the 3 brushes that you get. I am such a dummy. These are the 3 brushes that you get, and they are beautiful, like ombre, pink to orange shades. And these Luxie brushes, it's the Summer Days 3-piece brush set, and it comes in this cute little festival type wrapper. I think this is all probably based on Coachella, obviously. But this brush set retails for $28, and I have always loved Luxie brushes. I have started using them from my BOXYCHARM, and I've loved them ever since, so I already know I'm going to love them. But I'm going to take this guy in here. This is a large shader brush, and I'm just going to see how well it buffs out some more of my under eye and see if it drags it down more. I'm so mad that I did not use these. I can't believe I did that. What's the freaking point of a freaking BOXYCHARM review? Oh my God, I'm gonna pick up more of this shade right now. I'm gonna go in with Hidden Desert, and I'm going to put that in between the 2. I already know I'm gonna like these brushes, but I can use this guy later on in the video. Okay, so after the Luxie brushes is a mascara. This is the Butter London Power Up Mascara, and this retails for $20. And I have heard good things about this mascara. I really like how like chunky it is. It's small and compact, but it's like a little fat one. It's cute. And I'm going to apply this, but first, before the mascara, there is a Starlux Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. Now, I watched Kathleen Light's video on this, and you couldn't see anything. There was like no pigment whatsoever, so I was like, uh-oh, what's gonna happen with mine? Mine is like a, I don't know if you could see that, it's like a purpley white, it's like an icy look. I don't know how well it's gonna go with the look that I've got here, if it's even gonna work, so we will see. Let's just see. Nothing. You can't even, wow, that's a disappointment. You can barely, how are you gonna see that on my eye? You can barely see that on my hand. Okay, yep, Kathleen Lights wasn't lying. It's shitty. I will apply my own eyeliner after the mascara. We will do that after. So I'm gonna go into the mascara now. Let me get my eyelash curler. I have been loving this eyelash curler. This is from Tarte. Dan's sister got me this, and it's the pineapple one from that pineapple collection. I love it. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to lightly coat them, curl them, and then lightly coat them, curl them, and then coat them again. Okay, I really, really like this mascara. The only thing that I can say is that it's a little wet. Like, it's not as clumpy. I like the wand, too. It's, like, fat, but the bristles on the wand are very short. But kind of can't move around a lot when you're applying it, and you have to, like, let it dry, because I noticed that you can get some spots. But I really, really like this mascara. And this mascara, like I said, retails for $20, so that is a great product. I do not like that eyeliner at all. Oh my God, it is awful. Awful, awful, awful. I am going to just let those top lashes dry, and I'm going to go into the next product. The next product is from Artist Couture, and this is one of their Diamond Glow powders. I love the Illuminati one. It is so beautiful. This is in the shade Summer Haze, and I'm going to apply this as my highlight. I can say is that it is a pain in the butt to get that plastic piece off of this, but I'm going to be using this guy today. Finally, I'll use another brush because I'm so stupid. This is the Luxie Small Contouring Brush, but I feel like I could use this for a highlight if I apply it the right way on the brush. It is super pretty. I thought I was going to be too light for this, but I am not. And I love these powders because you can use it all over your body. You can use it, literally you can use it anywhere, not just as a highlight. Like you can use it as a highlight in the inner corner. You can use it as a shadow. These even look beautiful like wet, like you spray your face first and it just looks like really, really dewy, but it looks beautiful on its own too, as you can see. I'll put a little bit on my nose, chin. Super pretty. I love the Artist Couture diamond powders. I think they are so pretty. And this, I said, retails for $27. Well worth it. You get so much in here. I got one of these in like, I don't even know how long ago. It had to have been almost last year, and I have not even put a dent in it, and I use that so much, the shade Illuminati, and I knew I was gonna love this. So that is the last item in the box. I am just gonna quickly apply a lip and another eyeliner, and I will be right back. Super quick, I just applied lipstick. I applied the Ultra Satin Lip from ColourPop. This is in the shade Strut. Yes, very neutral, very nude, I know, but I think it went really well with the look. You could top it off with a gloss. You can do whatever. You can do a dark liner if you want to really make your lips pop more. I just kind of just applied the lip itself, and then I went in with the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Liner in black because that other eyeliner was trash and you can't even see it, so there's no point in me using it. I'm sorry. That is the first thing I've used from Starlux. Is that the brand? Is it? Yes. And I don't like it. I don't know what their other products are like, but I do not like that one. But I really like how this look turned out. I'm so happy I was able to film this month's BOXYCHARM review and look for you guys, because last month's box came super late and I couldn't do a review on it. I think I got it like a week before March was over, so I was like, I'm not gonna do this. So I really like everything that came in the box. Super festival vibes and spring summer looks. Like, I know I'm going to dive into this palette a lot more. I used 6 shades out of this 12 shadows in this palette, which is awesome. I was able to try a bunch of them out and they worked so well. Like, they look super pretty. I really, really like the look that I did to review this for you guys. Sorry about the Luxie brushes. Don't know what I was thinking, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see what next month's BOXYCHARM is, but until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.